Look at that river. It's amazing. We should go closer. I'm ready. Look, Finley, the river of dreams. Wow, it's amazing. Come on, let's go. Look, Fairy May, they're here.
They are even bigger than I imagined.
Hello there, friends. The water is safe, Finley. Wow, it's so big. Look, it's over there. A frightened baby elephant. Don't be afraid, little one. You look sad. I know, but we have to help. Okay, we'll do it together. Come closer, Finley. It's safe. They're beautiful. They're just as curious about you. Wow. Shh, it's okay. See? You'll be all right. Wow! Incredible! He's doing it! Go, Finley, go! Wow! We did it! Look out, Finley! The baby elephant is slipping! Oh no, Fairy May! We have to help them! Look at them, Finley! They're doing great, Fairy May! Look, Fairy May, it's an elephant family! Oh, Finley, aren't they amazing? She's protecting her baby! It's so beautiful! Look, they're doing it! Yes, they are! So proud of them! Do not be afraid. The herd will protect us, and so will I. Hold on to hope, Finley. Look at them. They move as one. Look, Finley, the strongest current is in the middle. Wow. Okay, I see it. That's the way. Thank you, Fairy May. I'm ready. You got it. You got it! Yes, you did it! I made it! Phew! That was close! Look! We found it! We found the home! Oh, Finley! It's even better than I imagined! They made it! You are strong, you are loved. Rise now, little friend. Whoosh! You've got this. Trumpet, yes! Wow, it's splashing! That's so funny! My wings are all wet. Wow! They're amazing! He's doing it! Yes! Come on! We did it! He's safe! Woohoo! Ta-da! You're doing great! Almost there, little one. Yes! We did it! Wow, that was close! Thank goodness! Look, Finley, they made it! Wow, they look so happy! Hi, elephants! Hello, everyone! We are so glad to see you! Hello, over here! Look, they are coming closer! A beautiful day, isn't it? Together, we can protect our family. Remember, teamwork is our greatest magic. I understand, Fairy May. We'll do it together. Look, that's where they were, isn't it? Wow, you're right. I can't believe it. Remember how the mother elephant never let go of her baby? That's the power of love. Wow. Thank you, May. I finally get it now, Fairy May. That's wonderful, Finley. I knew you would. Goodbye. That was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. It truly was. Bye-bye, little one. Don't forget us.